So I don't know if you're like me, but when I need to find something out or figure something out, I go to Google, I go to YouTube. And sometimes I stay up late looking for the next hack, or when it comes to my business, something that someone else has done so I can model. So I used to stay up doing this thing, the chats, the scripts, the tips. The great thing about the world that we live in is that we have access to that. The horrible thing about the world we live in is that we have access to that because just the fact that we took action to download the script, the tip, the trick, whatever, makes us feel good about ourselves. And it also feels a lot easier than doing the real work. But here's the thing, hacks don't build leadership, they're band aids, right? They help us feel like we're doing something, feel like we're taking action, and they distract you from stepping into your real authority. So if you're tired of one more PDF that changes everything, or the unspoken authority is where you need to go, because this is where shift actually happens. And as I said, shift happens, right? We rebuild your role as a calm, confident leader from the inside out. The link's below if you're ready. But if you're not in a parenting season and you find yourself being satisfied with downloading the thing and not implementing the thing, but downloading the thing, then the Power Under Pressure Starter Kit's for you, because it helps you stop reaching for the hacks and start trusting yourself and start taking action towards what you already know to do.